Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A42 and today I would like to show you how you can change vibration pattern on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Sounds and Vibration and scroll down. Tap on Vibration Pattern. Over here, pick one of the patterns by tapping on it. When you're done, just go back. As you can see, vibration pattern on my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!